My name is Andrew Prittis. I'm the sales engineer at Inertial Sense. When precision matters most, the GPX-1 is the tool engineers rely on. Whether you're designing autonomous vehicles, drones, or survey equipment, Inertial Sense delivers reliability, stability, and quality like no other. At its core, this tiny module, the GPX-1, is a multi-frequency and multi-constellation GNSS receiver module with support for GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BeiDou, and more. It's designed to perform in the most demanding environments. Its onboard RTK capability brings centimeter-level positioning accuracy essential for applications where precision is non-negotiable. Multi-frequency capability means reduced multipath effects, giving you reliable data in urban or obstructed areas. The Dual GNSS Receiver setup eliminates the need for magnetometer heading, simplifying your design process. With the GPX-1, you're not just getting a navigation tool, you're getting a partner in innovation. Want to see how the GPX-1 can elevate your projects? Request the demo today and experience reliability, stability, and quality firsthand.